Connect an AI agent to 3D Sellers, and it can work on your real products, listings, and orders. 3 steps. It can read and write products, listings, orders, categories, templates, and bulk actions. It can never delete anything. Step 1. In 3D Sellers, open Settings, Integrations, All Integrations, and find the MCP tile. Open it and copy your token. Keep it private. Anyone with it can change your data. Step 2. Connect your tool. 3 ways, depending on what you use. On Claude.ai or Claude Desktop, open Connectors, add a custom connector, and paste this URL. Then sign in and approve. In Claude Code, it's one command. For Cursor, VS Code, and others, drop this into your MCP settings file. Step 3. Ask what it can do, and it lists its 3D Sellers tools. Then put it to work. Unshipped orders from the last 7 days. Out-of-stock listings. Tag today's orders as priority. Publish to eBay. One connection covers every marketplace you've linked, and it can change your data but never delete it. So, copy your token, connect your tool, and start asking. The full guide and the other MCP walkthroughs are in the Help Center.